Before signing up for this course, you may have come across stories of investors who have achieved significant returns through income-producing properties, including both residential and commercial real estate. While this opportunity sounds enticing, the pressing question for many is, where do I start? Let's begin. Many participants in this course are interested in investing in single-family homes and small multifamily properties, specifically those with 1 to 4 units. For example, before purchasing my first single-family home, I invested in a 4-unit apartment complex. The appeal was strong, primarily because I could finance it using an FHA loan, which required a minimal down payment. Although the initial figures were promising, the experience turned out to be quite challenging. Please download the attached OM. This property is a 4-unit apartment building located in Long Beach, California. Please refer to page 3 for key property details. The asking price is $1,395,000. The front 2 units were built in 1925, while the 2 units at the back were constructed above the garage in 1956. The actual capitalization rate, or cap rate, is 4.98% compared to a market cap rate of 5.32%. Later in the course, we will delve deeper into cap rates and their interpretation. Additionally, the gross rent multiplier GRM is 14.35. However, I prefer not to use GRMs as they are merely a rough guide. I focus on more precise calculations instead. On the next page of the OM, you'll find details on the rental units. There are 2 2-bedroom, 1-bath units, each measuring 987 square feet, renting for $2,300 per month. Additionally, there are 2 1-bedroom, 1-bath units, each measuring 516 square feet and renting for $1,750 per month. The property also includes 4 garages. The pro forma financial analysis assumes a down payment of 35% of the purchase price with an interest rate of 4.5%. Notably, the gas and electricity meters are separately handled, and the property underwent renovations in 2022. The OM contains much of the information required to initiate the analysis of a potential investment asset, and we will verify the information against market data and our investigation. From this point, the analysis begins. Let's get started.